Garrett Euro Ace. You can see where we've already pulled out a 2012 20p. And we're getting another good hit. About 15 centimetres down. About there.
15.
15 it is. Euro Ace, Garrett. Nice round circle. Tip it over. Always leave a bit on the side, makes it easier to put back afterwards. Let's see what the pointer can pick up. Little skin. We might have just missed it a bit there. More this side. Always have a second scan. You never know. And then what you have to do is draw a pair of glasses. It's okay. It'll all go back to normal at the end. Trust me, we've done this plenty of time. There's Mickey Mouse. What's Mickey Mouse got in there? An old belt buckle. What could be a buckle on a horse. That was about 10 centimetres down. The old Euro Ace Garrett does it again. Back of the net.